Welcome to ChiefX LA.
Chief has really changed the way I lead by giving me courage.
I feel like what's unique about the Chief community is the fact that I meet women who are in business at my level.
I have been so honored to be a part of the Chief community. I think Chief is the best curator of women that I've ever seen. Everyone here is amazing. Everyone here is a leader in their own right, even though we all do very different things. Just one of the best communities of women I've been a part of.
So being part of the Chief Network has opened up so much opportunity. I found my business partner there, my co-host for my podcast.
Chief has just been formative in my experience in leadership. I joined Chief as a new CEO and had my first ever peer group, having never had, I think, a great role model. Over the last 7 years of my membership, I can't think of anything that hasn't influenced in my work life.
The empathy, the understanding, the strategy, people who are invested and want to see you win, you can't bottle it, you can't contain it, you can't even calculate it, like the value of it. And Chief does it better than anybody else.